Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide your online status on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines from the top left corner. Tap on Settings from the given menu. Scroll down and look for Privacy and Security under the Settings section. Tap on it. Now tap on the Last Seen and Online option. Tap on Nobody. Then tap on the tick mark icon from the top right corner. And you will hide your online status on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to hide your online status on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.